Yo, attention credit repair business owners, give me all your money and I'll get you leads. So many leads you won't know what to do with it. All I need is a lot of money, access to your social security number, and access to your printer. And I'll get you so many leads, you won't know what to do with it. No, guys, stop right there. If you're working with a lead generation service, or even thought about working with a lead generation service, stop right now. Let me teach you about a way that get you guaranteed appointments and guaranteed clients on demand. And no, I don't have a Ferrari. I got a Subaru Outback to be exact. Let me tell you something. There's a reason why these lead generation services do not have a guarantee backed up behind them. The reason being is because statistically an average client works with a lead generation service for around 40 days. And there's a reason why that's a statistic. There's a reason why it's only 40 days. I know you're probably thinking, I mean, that's just enough for their contract, and maybe 10 days, a couple of days for the lead generation service to beg for them to stay with them because you will work, and then they quit. Well, the reason why they don't have a guarantee, the reason why this happens is because the clients that receive these leads don't have an automated way to turn these leads into paying clients. Okay? What we all are here for is for money. Okay? So if you don't have a way to turn these leads, an automated way to turn these leads into paying clients, why would you continue spending money on these lead generation services? I wouldn't. Right? Well, let me tell you something. I have a couple guarantees. My first guarantee is I guarantee you that my hand is getting tired, so I'm going to put this camera down on my fireplace over here and I'm going to talk to you. Second guarantee is that you're going to get appointments on demand. How are you going to get these appointments on demand? Well, within their first month, you can get appointments around $20. Your second month, you can get appointments for around anywhere between $14 and maybe $16. And your third month, it's going to drop down to around $6 to maybe $10. Okay, our personal lowest being around $3. My third guarantee is I guarantee you. You know how it's typical a stockbroker, like one of those guys that make like $100 million a year just trading other people's money, and they don't even have to make their money back, they're still going to get paid. Yeah, those stockbrokers, they guarantee around 3 to 5, at most 6, 7% a year. I guarantee you your entire investment back. If you can hit at least a 10% closing rate with these appointments, I guarantee all your money back. And you got 90 days. So if you don't like what I do, go back to the lead generation service. But I never had that happen. The reason being is because we focus in on appointments. We don't worry about leads so that you can focus the maximum amount of your efforts on actually closing these appointments. And the thing that I guarantee that makes my program super special, what makes my program better than everybody else, it's so easy to do that you can either give this process to your secretary to just get you clients on demand so you can focus on closing these deals. And you can give this to your grandma to get you appointments on demand, so all you got to do is focus on closing your deals. Or you can give this to somebody in the Philippines where the minimum wage is $3 to $4 an hour, and they can work on this, they can do this for you, and they can get you appointments on demand. Like I said, first month $20, second month $15, third month maybe $8 to $10. You're going to be closing appointments like it's nothing. And all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pump more money into this ad spend to get you more appointments. So what I call it the client acquisition formula. And let me teach you something really quick before you press learn more. That 70 to 80% of your business should be coming from referrals. Anywhere between 20 and 30% should be coming from outsourcing to different marketing aspects. Pretty much why it's 20 to 30% is so that it boosts up your business so that the rest of them become referrals. My buddy Michael, he tried this formula. He was able to get his cost per appointment down to around $5. He has clients on a lifetime for 12 months he has clients that stay with him for 12 months. Okay, I think he charges $99 a month. Okay, he has 400 clients. He got the system down so well that he doesn't need to do marketing anymore, because every month he consistently gets around 40 new clients a month just from referrals. 40 to 50 new clients a month just from referrals. So let me tell you, if you're the type of business that actually provides results to their clients, if you're the type of business that's actually able to increase people's credit and help financial lives, if you're that type of business and you want to know more on how to get appointments on demand, to get credit repair appointments on demand, click learn more down below, and I guarantee you, you will be getting clients on demand. Why are you still here? Haven't you pressed learn more right now? Oh, you want a bonus? Okay, well, how about this? When you hit that landing page in the bottom right section, there's a little blue icon for the messenger. Hit that icon and chat with me directly, and I'll help you with any questions that you might have. You're still here. Huh. You want more guarantees? You want more bonuses? Alright. Well, I guarantee you, if you're not getting appointments, I'll do it for you. Alright? I'll get you appointments for you. We'll hop on a call and I'll do it for you. So I'll see you there, guys. If you really want to change your financial situation, if you really want to scale your business, if you really want to know the secret client acquisition formula, click learn more down below and learn the client acquisition formula.